Ever wonder what it really takes to qualify for Medicare and what happens if you miss an enrollment window? Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to our Medicare A to Z series, where we break down everything you need to know about Medicare. In this video, we're focusing on the eligibility requirements for Medicare. Whether you're new to Medicare or helping a loved one figure out their options, this video will help you understand who qualifies and when. The most common way people qualify for Medicare is by reaching a certain age. You're eligible if you are 65 or older and either a U.S. citizen or a legal permanent resident who has lived in the U.S. for 5 consecutive years. Now, while this is a typical path for eligibility, there are other ways to qualify too. Medicare also extends coverage to individuals under 65 in certain situations. For example, if you've received Social Security Disability Insurance, or also known as SSDI benefits for 24 months, you'll be automatically enrolled into Medicare Part A and B. However, for those that are diagnosed with ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease, Medicare enrollment starts right away with SSDI benefits. No waiting required. Individuals with ESRD, which is end-stage renal disease, also qualifies, but unlike other conditions, they need to apply for coverage manually. For most, access to premium-free Part A depends on your work history. If you or your spouse worked and paid Medicare taxes for at least 10 years or 40 quarters, you won't pay premium for Part A. If you don't meet this requirement, you can still purchase Part A by paying a premium. However, this cost depends on how long you've worked. So here's the deal. Even if you don't qualify based off your own record, you could still become eligible through family benefits. If you're married, divorced, or widowed, you could qualify through your spouse's work history as well. Now, if you're divorced, you can qualify based off your ex-spouse's work record, as long as your marriage lasted at least 10 years and you're currently unmarried. If you're widowed, you may be eligible through your late spouse's work history once you turn 65, assuming your spouse was Medicare eligible when they passed. Understanding who qualifies for Medicare is just the first step in planning your healthcare coverage. In the next video, we'll explore the different enrollment periods and how to make sure that you don't miss any key deadlines.